Hello again, everybody. It's Scott Hudgins with Dodd RV in Yorktown. Just want to give you a quick heads up. We are now at Lance Travel Trailer and Truck Camper Dealer. Got a few here on the lot now, more to come. Let's get started and take a look at some of the truck campers we've got in stock. Here's one of the first videos. Hi guys, Scott Hudgins with Dodd RV, located in Yorktown, Virginia. Family owned and operated since 1956. Today we're looking at a brand new, first one on the lot, Lance 1172 truck camper. New exterior graphics, new dual pane windows, TPO front cap, slide out, got the slide toppers over your slide outs, swing out extensions for your Happy Jack system, which you do have manual override. Just flip the switch. You've got the crank here for that. Back side of your refrigerator, got outside light, storage, magnets that hold those up for you. Another storage compartment. There's your 30 amp power cord. We will take a look up underneath. So what we're looking at here is your black tank flush, city water connection, and there's where you hook that 30 amp cord. Your 2500 Onan LP generator, outside hookups, your outside shower, hot and cold. You've got a battery disconnect, your drains, pull valves for your black and gray tanks. Again, your rear awning over your slide out. Nice feature here I'm showing you with the new windows open. I mean, look how open you can get these windows. And I'll show you from the inside, but you do have the day and night shades, basically act as a screen or blackout. But we'll take a better look at those inside. In the back here, you've got the storage for your sewer hose, and then massive storage in the back with that slide tray. Then your transfer relay, electrical in there. You've got a factory installed ladder. We will take a look at the roof. All right, up on the roof you see your AC, that travel rack on the top, roof vents, TV antenna, skylight, your 100-watt solar panel, satellite dish, top of those slide toppers. Also already installed backup camera. To the door side, your 4 seasons, you've got heated holding tanks, heated storage. We're looking at 4,772 pounds. So you're looking 350, 3,500 or bigger. Backside of your furnace, you got outside speakers. Power awning, again with the wind sensor on that. Exhaust for your range. Two 30-pound LP bottles. Potable water, got electrical, and then for winterization, your pump. Very easy winterization setup here. Being that this just came in, we haven't even de-winterized it, cleaned it, anything. Got your LP quick connect. Backside of your hot water heater. Brand new 2022 Lance 1172. Let's work our way inside. Take a look in there. Hey guys, before we go inside, just remember if you're coming out to the lot in Yorktown, you want to take a look in person, ask for Scott. Check down in the description. I have some links to some other campers. Also all your specs, holding tank sizes, and measurements listed down there as well. Thanks again for watching. Scott Hudgins, Dodd RV. All right, see the entry steps going in. Nice new lighter interior. And there's that option of letting you see here how open those windows can get. And again, your blackout shade or a nice screen there, help with the bugs. Removable table, just that pedestal. And then your theater seats have the footrest that kicks out. So some nice features there. Well lit. Got adjustable shelves as you come in. Nice assist handle as you come in. Your lights, your slide controls. You've got your remote. Key holder. Awning control. Your lights for your awning. There's your basically jackknife sofa. Got a little bit of storage underneath it as well. Heat ducts. You've got your locking system here for your drawers. Your booth dinette. Pretty comfortably sits 4. We'll take a look at that made into the bed as well. All right, the Dream dinette. You've got a lever here on the bottom. Flip that over, flip it in, it locks, flip it over, unlocks. And you can basically just push that down and it'll sit right on these ledges. Again, you can lock it in place. And then you use the cushions for your bed. There is the access to under the dinette. Nice solid base there. Cushions have Velcro, so it helps hold them in place. Then you got your third, maybe fourth bed there. And then you see the overhead bunk with the child safety tether. I'll show you that up out of the way. But nice feature there if you're looking to get some extra sleeping. There's that overhead bunk out of the way. Now it's got some weight to it with that divider, that safety tether. So you gotta be careful putting that down. But it does give you the extra sleeping. In your kitchen, convection microwave. Got your 3-burner range, nice little backsplash. Nice pull handles on your cabinets. Large storage. Your exhaust for your range. Again, another one of the windows. And you can adjust that, but great cross breeze there with the same blackout or screen system. Receptacles, LED lights, solid surface countertop. You got the extended spray head, your nice deep sink, flush mount cover. Got some weight to it. More storage down low. Again, receptacles. Up top, you've got your shade for your skylight. Fantastic fan. I am 6'5", I can still stand. I touch right at the edge of the AC. So 6'5" or less, you can stand up in here comfortably. Controls for your generator, water pump, water heater, check your holding tanks, and then the solar controller here. Your TV is on a swivel arm, so you can see that from the bed or from the dinette or from the sofa. So nice angle there, and it does make it easy to get to all your hookups. You've got the 12-volt plug there as well. Nice storage. Three-way refrigerator freezer. Nice step up going into the bed area, but we're going to go into the bathroom here. One of maybe 3 floor plans that offer the standard bathroom. So you got your tub shower, a little spot for your toilet paper, maybe a trash can. Nice room on the countertop. Extended shower curtain there. Nice shower head. Again, let's see. I'm 6'5". I'm in the skylight again. You got another inch or so for somebody taller. Towel bar, more storage. Exhaust for your bathroom. Nice assist handle getting up into the bed, and you got a privacy curtain that closes off the bedroom from the rest of the camper. Adjustable shelves, your Jensen, Bluetooth, HDMI, got your USB hookups there, overhead storage across the top as well. Nice skylight, again with a shade. Hookup for a TV. Then the Winegard satellite system, you got your auto seat there. A nice hanging space. There's the box for the TV. Another window that opens all the way up. Receptacles. More storage on both sides. Got speakers, lights. Pretty spacious for overcap. Bed area. Your brand new 2022 Lance 1172 truck camper. Thanks again for watching, and remember, if you're coming out to the lot to take a look in person, please ask for Scott.